Hi student, my name is Jatin Chavan and today we are starting with subject current affair. So as you can see our prime minister photo, okay. So आप लोगों ने ये फोटो ये सिंबल तो आप लोगों ने बहुत बार देखा रहेगा. ये जो सिंबल है आप लोगों ने बहुत बार देखा रहेगा. तो व्हाट इज़ इट? क्या आप लोगों को पता है ये चीज़ क्या है? ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी चीज़ है जो आप लोगों को जानना चाहिए. इट इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट टू एन इंटरनेशनल अफेयर. टुडे वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद ए सब्जेक्ट करंट अफेयर एंड आवर टॉपिक इज इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन and there are various international organization. So as you have seen that our prime minister has given this beautiful speech in this organization. So this organization is known as United Nation. So now what is United Nation organization? So when there was in World War II in 1945, so there was 40 the what we can say that lakhs of people were died because of war. So this 51 members country come together and they decided that there will be no human fortification there will be no human forticide after this. So they have formed one organization. 51 member has founded one organization. It was named as United Nation Organization. So the main purpose was what was to peace and harmony in the world. There should be no another world war in the world. Okay, so for the peace of our earth, they form one organization. It is known as United Nation Organization. So United Nation Organization has 6 main organs. Okay, so you can see here principal organ of UN, United Nations. So first is General Assembly. So every country has an assembly, you know. So United Nation has 193 members. So all the country members participate there, and there is a one organization which is known as General Assembly. Means all the laws are passed in General Assembly. Okay, it is one organ. Second organ is Security Council. We will be seeing Security Council today. Okay, what is Security Council? Security Council means all the members security responsibility is with UN. There should be no external war. No two state or two country should not fight. Okay, so peace and harmony. Okay, there is Economical Social Council, International Court of Justice. You know, there is nothing biggest thing than either this. Okay, there is no biggest court either this. Okay, International Court of Justice, the Secretariat and the Trustee Council. So there are 6 major organs. Okay. So now we will be starting with United Nations Security Council. So in United Nations in today's there are 193 members. As of today there are 193 members. When it was founded there was an 51 member and India was one of the founding member. It was founded in 1945. So there are 5 permanent member and 15 non-permanent member. This 5 permanent member and 10 non-permanent member. These 15 member are most important. So we will be seeing here which are permanent member and which are non-permanent member. So non-permanent member until 2019. So it was Ethiopia, Kuwait, Peru, Poland, Ivory, Bolivia, Ethiopia, Kazakhstan, Netherlands and Sweden. Okay, these 10 were non-members in 2019. Now, which are permanent member? USA, United Kingdom, Russia, France and China. These 5 are permanent member. and these 5 member has veto power, and we will be discussing what is veto power. Okay, so here you can see these are permanent. ये 5 मेंबर को कभी चेंज नहीं किया जाता. ओके, दिस आर नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर, ये हर 2 साल में चेंज हो जाते. तो ये किस तरीके से इन 10 नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर का चुनाव होता है? तो जो 193 कंट्रीज़ है जो मेंबर है, उसमें से ये 10 कंट्री हर 2 साल में चुनी जाती है. पर किस तरीके से चुनी जाती है, वी विल बी सीइंग टुडे. ओके, सो यू कैन सी हियर नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर 2-year term. After every 2 year their membership has been changed. Okay, so you can see that from Africa 3 member has been elected. From the 10 non-permanent member, 3 member every 2 year from Africa it is selected. By Asia 2 member are selected. Latin America 2 member are selected every 2 year. European, Western Europe and other 2 member are selected. Eastern Europe 1 member are selected. Okay, so as you all have understand. Okay, so what are the main purpose of UN? So there are 4 main purpose of UN, as I have told you. So what are that 4 main purpose? To keep peace throughout the world. विश्व शांति के लिए ये संगठन बनाई गई है. टू कीप पीस थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड. टू डेवलप फ्रेंडली रिलेशन अमंग नेशन. भाईचारा, आपसी देशों में भाईचारा रहना चाहिए. सारे देशों में एक भाईचारा रहना चाहिए, इसलिए ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को बनाया गया है. टू हेल्प नेशन वर्क टुगेदर टू इम्प्रूव द लिविंग ऑफ पुअर, टू कॉन्कर हंगर, डिसीज, इलिटरेसी एंड एनकरेज रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ ईच अदर राइट एंड फ्रीडम. देखो ये चीज़ बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. ये यूनाइटेड नेशन इसलिए भी काम करता है गरीबी कम करने के लिए, हाँ, भूखमरी को ख़त्म करने के लिए, डिसीज़ और इलिटरेसी को ख़त्म करने के लिए. ओके, ह्यूमन राइट और फ्रीडम को बढ़ावा करने के लिए. तो ये डेमोक्रेसी को बढ़ावा देता है. ओके, सेंटर ऑफ हार्मनी. ओके, history of UN. Now we will be seeing what is history of UN. As I have told you that student, 1945 there was a world war conducted, and after the world war lakhs of people were died. Because of it there was no harmony and peace in the world. To establish harmony and peace, and there should be no other war in future, so that's why United Nation organization was established. So actually in World War I, in 1914 to 1918 there was in World War I. After that there was in one organization was established, was League of Nations, but it was not successful because as the organization was established for peace and harmony, there should be no other war. That's why, and therefore also there was in World War II in 1945. So there was an instead of the organization was formed, there was in World War II. So the League of Nations was not successful. So student, that's why there was in 51 country who come together and they decided to form another organization which was known as United Nations. So as United Nations, you know, the main purpose is to establish peace and harmony within the countries. So now we will be discussing the history, as I have told you the history. So according to, sorry student, so you can see here United Nations is an international organization founded in 1945 after Second World War. 51 country committed to maintain international peace and security, developing friendly relation among. So as I have told you, there was in 51 country who committed to maintain peace and harmony, because there was a lack of people, there was an human fratricide and lack of people were died in Second World War. So we are growing, as the world is growing, there are tension between the countries and there are conflict between the countries, that if there will be a third world war, so earth will be fully destroyed. because we have the powerful weapon there like nuclear weapon, and today's there are that type of nuclear weapon that one country can send his nuclear weapon to another country within a second. Okay, so there is a very danger to earth. So that's why 51 country come together and they form an united nation. Okay, due to unique international character and power vested in the founding charter, the organization can take action on a wide range of issues and provide a forum of 193. As I have told you that there are 193 member states to express this their view through the General Assembly. Okay. So work of United Nations reach every corner of the global. Okay. So now we will be seeing India has become 8-time non-member of United Nations General Security Council. Okay, 8 time. Okay, in 2021 also one more time India will be becoming a non-permanent member. So what are the primary responsibility of Security Council? So students, first of all, understand what is Security Council. Security Council is one of the organization of United Nations. There are 6 organizations. One of these Security Council. 6 में से एक है सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल. ओके, सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल का मेन हेतु ये है कि कोई भी देश के बीच में, कोई भी 2 देश के बीच में युद्ध नहीं होना चाहिए, पीस और हार्मनी होना चाहिए. ओके, तो मेन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, it is a security council to determine when and where a UN peace operation should be developed. Okay, security council respond to a crisis around the world on a case by case basis, and that is range of option and disposal. It may different. So here you can see there are 4 main reason of security council. Whether there is a ceasefire, has what is ceasefire? कुछ पल के लिए युद्ध को विराम दे देना. मतलब युद्ध खत्म नहीं हुआ है, युद्ध कुछ देर के लिए रुका गया है, कुछ महीनों के लिए रोक दिया गया है. इसको कहते हैं सीजफायर. Whenever there is a ceasefire in place and parties have committed themselves to a peace process intended to reach a political statement, तो एक सीजफायर करवाया जाता है, रोक दिया जाता है युद्ध, और बीच में ही डायलॉग चालू किया जाता है सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल में कि अभी आगे क्या फैसला लेना चाहिए. ओके, क्लियर पॉलिटिकल गोल, एक गोल सेट किया जाता है सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल के द्वारा. ओके, सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी रखी जाती है सारे देशों की. ओके, अभी डिसीजन मेकिंग हमने बात की थी, वेटो पावर क्या है. सो काउंसिल इज द ओनली बॉडी डेट अलाउ यूज टू द वेटो. The veto is exercised when a country vote against a draft decision and so prevent its adoption. It can only be used by the 5 permanent member. देखिए, जो 15 मेंबर है उसमें से 5 परमानेंट है और 10 नॉन परमानेंट है. अभी कोई भी अगर समझो कोई एक्ट पास किया जाता है, समझो कि कोई 2 देश के बीच में कोई लड़ाई चल रही है या कुछ ट्रेड वॉर, कुछ भी चल रहा है, वॉर चल रहा है, तो उसको रोकना है, तो उसके लिए समझो कुछ लॉ पास किए गए कि ये दोनों को ये चीज़ माननी पड़ेगी. तो अभी वो लॉ पास करने के लिए 5 परमानेंट बॉडी जो मेंबर है उनकी मंजूरी रहनी चाहिए, और 10 नॉन परमानेंट में से 4 नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर की सलाह ये चाहिए, राय. तो टोटल 9 रहने चाहिए. तो उसको कहते हैं कि ड्राफ्ट कर लिया उन्होंने लॉ. बट अगर 5 परमानेंट बॉडी में से एक भी कंट्री वेटो पावर इस्तेमाल करती है ना, तो वो 9 कंट्रीज जो जिसने लॉ पास किया है उसको भी हटा सकती है. तो इतना पावर रहता है वेटो में. तो बहुत बार वेटो पावर यूज़ किया है, अमेरिका ने किया है, चाइना ने किया है. ओके, बहुत बार ये लोग करते रहते हैं. ओके, मेंबरशिप के बारे में मैंने आपको बता दिया. ओके, 5 परमानेंट है, 10 नॉन परमानेंट है. ओके.